finally got my yearbook. The freak.
China.
Miss Jones, I finally got my yearbook. The freak. Oh my goodness, why did they put me on the title page? Like, the freak. I was in this picture that cropped me out. Better beat them up. Tyler, look at your class picture. You looking like a clown. You know, you kind of looking like your daddy in this picture. I ain't gonna lie to you. The freak. I hate her. She's so ugly. Like, she about take up the whole frame. Oh, bestie, come sign my yearbook. Thank you, bestie. The freak. She ugly. I hated her as a teacher.
Miss Jones,
she answering the phone.
It's the front office.
No,
Go away.
Miss Jones told me to answer the phone.
No.
Miss Jones' room.
Yes, ma'am. What you need?
I'm here.
You ain't as ugly as they make you out to be. I mean, you ain't pretty, but, I mean, you really ain't that bad. Looking mighty fine today. I wasn't gonna say it. Lord have mercy, did you curl your hair today? Maybe you should start wearing it like that more often. I mean, I just thought the curls looked good today. But that polka dot shirt looks real good on you today. It kind of makes you look like a cow. I didn't mean nothing by it. I'm just saying it looks like a cow. You ain't as...
Hi, Miss Jones. You drive me. Go to the office. Miss Jones called the rescue squad. Hi, Miss Jones. Hi, Miss. Who's driving this bus? You better mess me up. Better beat you up. The freak. Like, stop playing with me. What you mean I can't eat on the bus? You acting like I'm about to clean up. Better eat my chicken. The freak.